big shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring this amazing video. Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. Up hier. Box. Box. Lekker. Goed zo. Goed zo. Oh. Today's video is another Halloween video because today we're going to try out different Halloween costumes. And I'm actually very excited, but also kind of nervous for some reason. I don't know, I'm always nervous in my videos. But I got a big old box over here. Ooh, full with Halloween costumes. And I'm just going to try them on today. And I am very happy that this video is sponsored because this was like, I think it was around $400 for these costumes, which is crazy expensive. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm going to try them on and I'm going to see how they look on me, which probably is gonna look very weird because I picked out some costumes that aren't really my style. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. Also, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Woohoo! I need to stop doing that. So I don't really remember what I got anymore. Like I know a few items, but I'm not sure what they are. So yeah, let's just open this box up and see what's inside. So many! I kind of wanted to have outfits that kind of look like your typical slutty girl on Halloween. Because that's just not who I am. So I thought it would be fun to kind of try out those type of outfits. And I'm kind of scared because I feel like I'm going to feel so uncomfortable in these outfits because I would probably never ever wear these. Oh my god, Pablo is literally in the box. Look at this. Pablo, Pablo, Pablo. Oh, 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 oh. This is gonna look so weird on me. Okay, first outfit that I got. This is kind of like, I feel like one of the most worn outfits on Halloween ever. And that is the dirty cop. So yeah, this is the first outfit. It was probably around 70 euros, which is so expensive. That's so expensive. And it has 6 pieces inside of it. So let me just go ahead and put them all on because it's gonna take a while, I think. Okay, let's do it. Stop! You violated the law. Yeah, this is my first outfit. It makes so much noise as well. Oh my god. So yeah, the head looks absolutely ridiculous. I mean, this is like such a bad head. This is also bad. But this dress, I don't know. It looks so weird. Also, like the thing that I dislike the most about this is that, but like the thing that I dislike the most is that my butt cheeks are literally falling out. Like I can just feel the air going to my butt cheeks right now. I mean, if I were to drop something right now, there's no way in hell that I'm going to pick it up myself because I will flash my butt to everyone who is behind me. So, not gonna happen. What I do absolutely love about this is that they have like little handcuffs. Here, it's like little handcuffs. That's so cute. No, hard pass. I'm going to give this one 2 Pablos out of 5. Oh god, this is so awkward. No, okay, next one. Not gonna happen. Pablo really loves this box. Like, he's sitting in it like again. Look at him. What are you doing? Oh my god. Okay, on to the next outfit, which is going to be bombshell babe. Ooh, cute, sexy, I love it. So yeah, this is called the bombshell babe, but it's just Jessica Rabbit. But I think they're just not allowed to call it Jessica Rabbit, so they call it bombshell babe. So yeah, let's put this outfit on and see if it turns me into a bombshell. Probably not, because I need to have a whole lot more than just a dress to become a bombshell. So, okay, let's get started. I feel so incredibly awkward in these outfits, it's actually insane. But yeah, second outfit, bitches! My wig is kinda not cooperating with me. Let me, please stay. I mean, the outfit does kinda look like the picture on the packaging, but also not at all. Because literally her boobs almost touch her chin, and my boobs are basically non-existent. So yeah, it looks, on her it looks a lot more like, ooh, ooh, and on me it looks a lot more like, hi, how you doing? Is this sexy? I have absolutely no idea. I do not know how you're supposed to be sexy. I don't know. Yeah, no, this is gonna get a 1 Pablo out of 5 Pablos. Because it's not a good dress at all. I don't know why I'm doing this. Let's go on to the next one. I don't know why, but these costumes, they just like crack me up. Like, this is my next one. It is the killer sewer clown. It's Pennywise, y'all. It's Pennywise. But it is a very sexy Pennywise. A very sexy killer sewer clown. Sewer clown, like that does not sound sexy at all. But yeah, this is if Pennywise were a beautiful girl, then she would wear this. So yeah. It honestly just kind of looks like she's wearing diapers. So yeah, I'm gonna see how it's gonna look on me. Exciting! Let's get started. Hello, it is me, the sexy sewer clown. Oink oink. Wearing my beautiful orange wig again, and I'm just kind of like fluffing it up because, you know, Pennywise doesn't really care about like hygiene and stuff. I just don't really know what I can say about this outfit. Okay, it looks not too bad. Oh, you did not expect that one, did you? I know, I actually kind of like it. It's kind of fun. I still feel like this kind of looks like a diaper. Even if you look at the back, it's kind of like diaper-ish. And also, it is just way too short. Like, my butt is falling out, which is something that I personally do not want to happen. But again, that's kind of why I pick these outfits, because I like to feel very uncomfortable. I don't know, I'm not mad about this. Would I wear this out to a party? Hell no. But do I think they did a good job on this outfit? I kind of do. I think it looks kind of cool. So I'm actually going to give this 4 Pablos, which is pretty high, to be honest. On to the next outfit, and this one I actually kind of like, because I would never wear it to like a party or something, but I think it's a pretty clever costume. And it is this Spider Queen. Look, it's so funny because you have like the spider legs over here. Like, how fun is that? Okay, let's put it on my body. Oh my god, this looks horrible. I mean, look at the little spider legs that I like so much. They're all like pretty fucked up. I mean, they look like 50 people stepped on them, so it's not as cute as I thought it was gonna be. And even the crown that I have, like, it's supposed to go like this, I think, but it's like all. But yeah, this is my spider. Itsy bitsy spider. Itsy bitsy spider. Do 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 do. This is kind of cute though. Cute. I don't know. I thought this was gonna look cute. Okay, I thought it was gonna be like a fun outfit, but it's so bad. Also, it is again. It's very naked. It's a very. I'm very naked right now, which feels kind of weird because I never really look like this on my channel ever. So yeah, Very weird and uncomfortable. So yeah, what am I gonna give it? 2 Pablos. Okay, on to the last outfit, and probably like the most intense one, at least for me. And that is this very beautiful red catsuit. Oh god, oh god. It is called the Fever Miss Whiplash costume. Miss Whiplash. But it's only the catsuit, it didn't come with a whip. So I thought this could also be a devil costume. So I got some devil ears. Let's try it on. Let's see what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be so weird. Oh my god, a catsuit. The girl on the cover is like very pretty though. Like, oh my god, she's gorgeous. But I know for sure that I'm not gonna end up looking like her. Okay, let's try it on and get very uncomfortable. Oh my god, what is this? Like, this is like, on the packaging is like super sexy, like ooh, ee, ah. And now on me it just looks like a pajama. It just looks like I'm wearing a onesie. Ready for bed! Good night! It's literally also the smallest size that they had, so it's not like I bought the wrong size, because I'm pretty sure this is an XS. So it should fit me, but it doesn't. Oh no, this is so bad. Hey kids, ready to go to hell? I like my little pitchfork thing though. Hey, hey, hey. I don't know, I thought that this was going to be like the most extreme outfit of them all. But this is like the most ridiculous of them all. No, this is not a good outfit at all. I don't like the cat suit, or like onesie as I like to call it. But I do like the idea of like having a cat suit and then with your devil horns and with your pitchfork thing. So I do kind of like the overall look of the outfit, if you know what I mean. But I do not like this thing itself. So let's give it 2.5 Pablos. Which kind of means that I need to cut Pablo in half, and I do not want to do that. So let's just give it 2 Pablos instead. So bad. Okay, no. No, 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 no. So yeah guys, this was today's video. I mean, honestly, it wasn't as bad as I expected it to be. Like, it didn't make me extremely uncomfortable. It only made me feel a little bit uncomfortable. But I would still never, ever in a million years wear these outfits to a Halloween party. They're just not meant for me. It's not really the look that I'm going for. But I do have the utmost respect for all the girls who go out to parties in these outfits. Like, I cannot imagine walking around like that the entire night. I mean, I will be so afraid that my butt is gonna fall out of my outfit that I will probably just stand against the wall the entire night. So, chapeau. Yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. And also, I am not going to link the items in the description box down below for anyone wondering, because the quality of these items is so incredibly bad and the price is so incredibly high. So I do not want you guys to spend your hard-earned money on these outfits, because honestly, it's not worth it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope to see you in my next video. And let's just quickly talk about today's sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. And if you don't know yet, Squarespace is the amazing all-in-one platform where you can build your own website, blog, or even your online store. Squarespace allows you to link your various social media accounts to your website, so you can post simultaneously to all accounts. And with Squarespace Traffic Overview feature, you can track trends in page visits and views to better optimize your posting. So head over to squarespace.com/crystallindyy to get a free trial and to get 10% off your first purchase. Links will all be in the description box down below. Thank you Squarespace for sponsoring this video, and thank you all for watching this video, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!